teaching you an intermediate poi move called caps. So we're going to be learning caps, which are in split time opposites, and we're going to start by learning one hand at a time before we try and put them together. So I'm going to start with my right hand, which is my pink poi, because it's my dominant hand, so I just find it easier to learn with. So I'll be starting with my hand up here, spinning forwards. You want to make sure that your plane is straight as well, otherwise this move isn't going to work. You can practice it straight by going against a wall, and any level, just like spinning it against the wall until you're not hitting the wall. So you'll be spinning your poi forwards, you'll be happy with your plane, and then we'll move on to doing the arc. So that's what the arc will be. And you'll start your arc when your poi is back here in its spin, so when it's there. So arc, and down to the bottom. So you'll just want to keep practicing your arc, and then bring your arm back up until you're comfortable with that. Once you're comfortable with that, you'll do your arc. You'll have it still spinning forwards at the bottom, and then you'll want to pop it out to the middle line. You want to like picture like there's something that you're trying to knock out of the sky, and then you want to go pop and bring it up, and this is where your arc comes in. So arc, pop, bring it up, arc, pop, bring it up. You can also do multiple beats, so at the top after your arc as well, but once you are more confident with it, you won't have any beats in between, so it'll be arc, pop, arc, pop, arc, pop. But while you're learning, feel free to put like 5 beats or whatever in between each move. You want to do this at least 10 times without stuffing it up before moving on to your left hand. So now you can do your right hand. We'll be doing the same thing, but in reverse with my left hand. So my poi will be spinning backwards this time, and I'm going to start from the bottom. Same thing with planes. You want to make sure your planes are really straight, so you'll probably need to practice them against the wall again. So we'll start with the arc going upwards. So with your poi at the same point as well, so it'll be back here when I start my arc. So it goes up, and then it's still spinning backwards. And then you'll just want to keep practicing your arc, same as you did on your right hand. Cool. Once you are feeling confident with your arc, we'll start putting the pop in. So it's going to pop that way this time. So spinning backwards, and it pops and down to the bottom. Arc up, pop, down to the bottom. Arc up, pop, down to the bottom. And I'm putting those extra beats in just because it's easier to start off with, but you need to eventually get rid of them, so there's no beats in between your arc and your pop. Cool. Once you can do that on your left side as well for at least 10 times, you'll be able to put the moves together. Now that you can do both arms, we're going to start with our right hand at the top, spinning forwards, and the left hand at the bottom, spinning backwards. And we'll do the arc, so you go like that, and then just stop and do the arc again. And just continue doing that arc until it feels comfortable. Once you're happy with your arc, we'll put the pop in the middle, so the poi you want to cross here. So we'll start with the arc, and then pop, and then arc, pop, arc, pop. And once you're feeling good with that, we'll take out the beats at the top and the bottom. So you go arc, pop, arc, pop, arc, pop, arc, pop. And that is caps. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time.